Class 2, English 1, Chapter 9, Comparisons, Part 1. Topics for today are meaning, things to remember, and exercise A given on page number 37. Children, in our previous chapter, we learnt about how to describe or tell more about a naming word. Means how to tell more about a person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, tall man, clean place, cute small baby, cute cat. You can say a sharp knife. So all these words that are used before these naming words are describing or telling more about the naming words. The knife, the baby, the cat, the man, all these words are being described with a new word, and those words are called the describing words. Now we will learn more about these describing words, how to use them in our sentences, and to show the comparison. Means when we compare people for their goodness and badness, or for anything, for their quality, yes or no, we sometimes say my handwriting is better than yours, I have a beautiful bag, I have got more marks than you. So this kind of comparison we do, yes or no. So for these kind of comparisons, when we compare one thing with other or one person with other, then we use these kind of comparison describing words. These are also describing words only, but these describing words are used to compare, to say which one is better than, which one is good. Okay, so the meaning for comparisons we can describe like this. Describing words can show comparison. We add er, means any describing word, it's not always like that, but most of the time when we use comparison describing words, we add er to the word. So at the end we add er at the end of a describing word, and than. So we not only add er, but there is one other word used with that word, than, to show comparison between two people or things. So this kind of comparison where you use er with the describing word and than word, it is used to describe only two people, not more than that. When we use for more, when we are comparing one thing with many, then there is another form of describing word we will learn in later classes. Okay, so when we are describing only two things, one thing with the other thing, or one person with the other person, then we use this comparison adjectives by adding er to the describing word. After adding it, we add one more word to it, that is than. So to understand this well, we will have an activity here. So let's get started with this activity. Read the sentences and circle the words which end in er. So we have to circle all those words here which end with an er. So I'm going to read it and then we will circle it. My friend has a new school bag. It is newer than my school bag. I have a new cricket bat. It is stronger than his cricket bat. My friend is taller than me, but I am faster than him. our classroom is brighter than their classroom. So we have a list of 4 sentences here, and in each sentence there is comparison. So let's see. My friend has a new school bag. Here we are not comparing anything. We are just saying my friend has a new school bag. But in the next sentence we are saying it is newer than my school bag. So my school bag is not new like his. Means his bag is very new. Okay, so here my bag is being compared with my friend's bag. So whose bag is more new? It is my friend. So the word new has become newer by adding er with the describing word, and then than word is also used. So see, newer than. So whenever we are using this kind of describing word, we have to use the than word with it. It is not used alone. These two words are used together. Okay. The next sentence is I have a new cricket bat. So I am not comparing anything in this sentence. I am simply saying I have a new cricket bat. How is my cricket bat? It's very new. It is stronger than his cricket bat. So I am comparing my cricket bat with another boy. So I am saying stronger. So now I am giving the quality. I am describing the cricket bat as stronger. His bat is also strong, but whose is more strong? Mine. So I am saying stronger than. Clear? So circle these two words or stronger word. Number 3, my friend is taller than me. So I am here comparing my friend with me. So my friend is taller. He is taller than me. Who is taller? My friend. But I am faster than him. Now I am adding this quality that I am faster than him. Who is more fast? I. So here there are 2 describing words in the comparison form, that is taller and faster. Circle them. The 4th sentence, our classroom is brighter than their classroom. So here we are using the describing word brighter to compare our classroom with their classroom. Okay, so brighter word is another describing word which is used here to compare our classroom with their classroom. So how is it used? Brighter than. So remember this than word. Without this we cannot compare 2 things. Okay. So let's quickly read some more examples here. Each of the words you circled are describing words. So all those words which you circled here, like newer than, stronger than, taller than, faster than, brighter than, all these words are describing words. They compare 2 naming words. They are comparing 2 things or 2 people. So look at these sentences to understand better. He is taller than his brother. So the describing word is taller, and we have to add this word than also with it. So with this kind of er words, always used with than. So taller than. A tortoise is, so children, you have to always pronounce it as tortoise. Don't say tortoise. It is tortoise. A tortoise is slower than a hare. Okay. So here slower than is the describing word, and you have to remember this than also with it. Vikas is smarter than his brother. So smarter is the describing word, and you have to use than also with it. This door is stronger than that one. So again this door and that door has been compared, and the describing word is stronger, and you have to remember than with it. So the words in bold are describing words, that compare two people or things. So children, remember, ER describing words, when we use to describe two people or two things, we have to use it with the word than. So let's quickly recap this. Taller than, slower than, smarter than, stronger than. So you have to keep repeating, read these sentences again and again, at least 4 to 5 times, so that you get used, your mouth get used to these kind of sentence making. Now let's do this exercise A. Circle the correct words. This is given on page number 37. You mark it in your book and later you write the chapter name, date and this exercise in your copy. So question number 1 is, an elephant is heavier or shorter than a horse? Elephant is heavy or short? It is very heavy. So you have to circle heavier. So when we are comparing the heaviness of the elephant, so we have to circle heavier here. Which is more heavier, elephant or horse? Elephant. So we have to circle heavier. The rabbit's teeth are bigger. We are describing rabbit's teeth as bigger or shorter. And who are we comparing it with? Rat. So whose teeth are bigger or shorter? Rabbit's teeth are bigger and rat's teeth is shorter. So we have to say the rabbit's teeth are bigger than a rat's. Question number 3. He drives faster or quicker than his driver? We drive it fast. We say fast. So here the word will be faster. Okay, he drives faster than his driver. So he has been compared with his driver for his driving. And who drives faster? He. So here faster is the describing word used here for comparison between two people, that is he and his driver. Number 4. Her dress is taller or longer than my dress. So here dress is something with which we cannot say tall. So we say long. So here there is a comparison. If it is only my dress, I say my dress is long, her dress is long. But here I am comparing my dress with her dress. So there is a comparison. That's why we are saying longer. Her dress is longer than my dress. Question number 5. This rope is stronger or harder than that one? So here we talk of the strength, the strongness, the strength of the which is more strong. So here we have to circle the word stronger. This rope is stronger than that one. So circle stronger. That's all for today, children. Do this work neatly in your copy and then read these sentences, the example sentences, as many number of times. Take care.